Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to Myanmar on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Myanmar's Ministry of Immigration and Population website on my mobile device. So it's in 5 step: create an account, fill the form, pay, approval letter, travel, and it's gonna be stamped on your arrival. Okay, now if you have any questions like visa fee and all, you can always click on the links that are available on the home page, and that will give you all the details that you really want. And once you are ready, just click on tap on apply visa. Okay, it's asking you to log in. If you don't have an account, just click on register account. Now we are on a new account register. Put your name, email, password, country, phone number, security validation, and tap on register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you. So once your registration is done, it's going to send an email for verification. So you have to tap on that. So once you click on that, you get this, that is done. Now you can click here to log in. I'm going to do that. So I went to the login page and logged in, and this is where I get. So you are applying for new tourist visa, then tap on new tourist visa. So again, it's loading. Nationality. Now do it as per your own case. Don't see what I am doing. Passport number. I'm going to put a sample. See, all the information I put here sample, but you put your actual information and verify every piece of information at least 2 times, not just one. Okay. Terms, condition, security validation, and next. I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you. Okay. Passport issued date. Again, check your passport and then do. Passport expiry date. Again, check it and then you do. Just sample I'm putting. Passport issuing country, nationality, full name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, occupation, port of entry, permanent address. I'm going to put some sample and then I'm going to keep seeing you guys. Okay. So I put some sample. Okay. But again, when you do, make sure everything you check 2 times, not just one. Permanent address, country, postal code, contact number. Of course, you know that. So I'm going to. Now it's asking for the accommodation in address in Myanmar. So if you book your visa, definitely you know where you're gonna stay. Maybe with a friend, hotel, motel, whatever you have booked. Provide this. Okay, and then it's also put the address, and it's also asking if you are a part of any tourist group, then put that information. Otherwise, those are non-mandatory field. If a child is traveling with you, sharing the same passport, then put this information. Otherwise, tap on next. So I'm gonna go to the next screen and then I'm gonna see you guys. So we have done most of the things. Now just photo and document. So here you have to upload your passport photo, and it's also asking for hotel ticket, hotel booking, and a return ticket, trip plan if okay. And then in the next stage, confirm and then make the payment. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you know how to do this now, right? So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.